Hello everyone, today we discuss about variable. What is a variable? So before that, if you want to store anything into a system, it has to be stored in a memory space. So whenever you are going to store in a memory space, it has to be given a name. That name you call it as a variable. So what you call it a variable? A variable is a name given to a memory space. So what does that variable have? A variable will have a value in it. So how to define a variable? A variable is just a word. Okay, so it is a word or it is a group of words, collection of words. So to define a variable we have some rules. So first rule is it has to be start with an either underscore or an alphabet. So it can be an alphanumeric also, right? But it should start with an underscore or it should start with an alphabet. So and next point is what? It should not start with a digit. So it should not start with a digit is the second rule. And third rule is it should not have any special characters in it, like hyphen, percentile, dollar. These are some special characters it should not have. And the other thing is it should not have spaces in it. No spaces. And other thing is it should not have no keywords. So I'll tell you what about keywords are the predefined variables which are already predefined things which are already given in your language. So they should not have any keywords. So for example, if I want to write first name, I want to declare a particular values. For example, I want to store Satish in the memory, right? To store Satish, it should have a variable name. So Satish is what? It is a first name. For example, Satish Kumar. I have two names, so first name and last name. So I want to store Satish there. So to store Satish, it should be stored in a variable called first name. So how do you write? You'll write like this: first name. So do you have any space in this? No, there is no space. So you say that this is a right variable, or you are defining it as a perfect variable name. And for example, you are defining like this: first name. So in between you have what? Space. So as per the rule, do you have a space in it? No, you don't have any space. So this is a wrong definition of your variable. And for example, you are defining like this: first name. So one is what? Digit. So what you said in the first rule, you said that it should start either with underscore or alphabet. So it should now it is started with what? It is started with a digit. So do not start with a digit. So this is also not a valid variable. And coming to this one, address 1. So address 1 is started with the alphabet, but it is having a digit. So what we said it is an alphanumeric. It is combination of alphabet and as well as numeric. So this is also a true variable definition. And next I am defining percentage here, and next I have written some parenthesis and also percentile symbol. So what we said, no special characters. So this is also not a valid variable name. And next I have written char. Actually char is a already reserved word, that is a keyword. So I am again defining it as a variable. No, you should not define. So this is also not a valid variable. So this is how you declare a variable, how to you write a variable, not declaration, you write a variable. Thank you.